Stop! If Scarlet keeps getting revoked on your iPhone, this method is currently working and only takes a few minutes to set up. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install Scarlet and get it running on your device. Before we begin, make sure to check the description below. I've placed all the required links there. First, open Safari and visit the AppleJr website shown on the screen. Once the website loads, navigate to the Scarlet section and locate AppleJr DNS. This DNS helps prevent revokes and is required before installing Scarlet. Tap Install and then press Allow when the profile download message appears. After the profile has been downloaded, return to your home screen. Now, open the AppleJr application that was just installed on your device. Inside the application, locate Scarlet and begin the installation process. Wait for Scarlet to finish installing completely. Once the installation is complete, try opening Scarlet. If Scarlet doesn't open, don't worry. This is completely normal and we'll fix it in the next step. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and navigate to General. Scroll down and tap VPN and Device Management. Under Enterprise App, locate China Telecom and tap on it. Now press Trust and confirm when the verification message appears. After trusting the certificate, restart your iPhone. Once your device has restarted, open Scarlet again. Scarlet should now launch successfully without any issues. You can now use Scarlet to install your favorite applications directly on your iPhone. And that's it. Scarlet is now installed and working properly on your device. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future iOS tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.